Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model Y door from inside manually. This is a vital skill for any owner, especially in emergencies like a power loss or system malfunction. We'll cover the specific steps for both the front and rear doors, ensuring you can always exit your vehicle safely. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it could make a big difference in a critical situation. For the front doors, the manual release is quite straightforward. Look for a small mechanical lever positioned just in front of the window control buttons on the door panel. This lever is designed to be a backup. Simply pull this lever firmly towards you, and you'll hear the latch disengage. Once you pull it, push the door open right away to exit the vehicle. It's a quick and effective way to get out. Opening the rear doors manually is a bit different, requiring a couple of extra steps. First, locate the small plastic cover at the very base of the window switch assembly on the door panel. Gently pry this cover open to expose a mechanical cable underneath. Once you see the cable, pull it firmly towards the front of the car. This action will release the door latch, allowing you to push the door open and exit. It's always a good idea to practice these manual release steps in a safe, non-emergency situation so you're prepared. Also, make sure any passengers, especially children, know how to use these releases. This knowledge is crucial for everyone's safety. For more great content and deals, check the description below this video. You'll find links to helpful resources and other fantastic offers, including the new Kindle Paperwhite. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.